Hello, I'm Pietro, and I study Business Management and Economics at the Management School. This is my day in the life. In the morning, I pour myself a fresh cup of coffee that I prepared the night before. It's very good. In a bit, I'm going to head off to my corporate social responsibility seminar. Then I'll have some lunch at the uni and go to my Portuguese lecture. And at around 8, I'm going to come home and watch the football. Let's go! This is one of my favorite uni buildings, Firth Court. I'm about to enter my corporate social responsibility seminar where we learn a little bit about business ethics and how firms act in the real world, whether they're good, bad, or somewhere in the middle. We're trying to answer those questions. I'm Italian, so at the uni I decided to be part of the committee of the Italian Society, and we meet here at the Student Union every Thursday to talk about the events and our plans for the upcoming year. We try to host events at least twice a month to get people involved and so that we can get to know the Italian community of Sheffield. The University of Sheffield Student Union is the best in the country, and you can really tell. Every week they host many events and nights out, and I love coming here with my friends. Coca-Cola, a sandwich, and some crisps, a classic student meal deal. Here's a great cafe. A lot of great study spaces too. Look at all these sports teams. Feel like volunteering? Follow the signs to Bar 1. This is where me and a few friends go and grab a drink once in a while. It's a great time. I'm going to the Diamond for my second lecture of the day now. It's right over there. I'm here at the Diamond for my Portuguese class. It's a really cool building. The management school allows students to switch out one module for a language. It's great. I'm here at Goodwin Sports Center, just a short walk from the management school, to play football with my friends. It's a great chance to do what I love to do. See you later. The management school has various places to study. I often come here with groups to work on group projects. It has an outdoor space and even a computer room. I'm a very passionate chef. Now I'm gonna make my dinner. Tonight I'm gonna make some mushroom onion pasta and I'm gonna enjoy my dinner. Just finished eating dinner now. Thank you for joining me on my day in the life as a management school student. Now it's finally time for me to relax.